Oh, my back. Yes, Tommy. Right, I'm back on YouTube. Fuck, right, I had a massive little lag spike then. Yeah, retail. Yeah, that bullish retail sales is quite nice. To be fair, I think that definitely helped the dollar from coming way lower than what it would have done. Yeah, Speedgock. Sorry, boys, I just fucking lagged out peakly, man. Peakly. Everything just blew up, innit? Whilst your man were gone, it was mad, innit? Havoc, everything blew up. Bare fire, bare explosion, bare fucking people screaming and kids crying and shit. It was fucking, mate, you boys should have been here, man. No cap as well, obviously. I don't lie about anything. I got out, bro. I'm out. I'm going to be getting out of that, man. Just away from that news. EU still pushing up now as well, bearing in mind. Pardon me. Just a smart move to go. It's a very smart move. Don't... It's just one of my rules, man. I close my trade. Go out with a DTO. Yeah, fair play, man. I haven't actually looked at it yet, but... Yeah, I'm out. But... Again, really nice day. Really nice day. Exactly what we said. To be fair, I'm actually really happy because I knew this was going to come. I kind of knew it wasn't going to come and after we started actually having to move forward the trades, the setup, I just thought, right, we're getting entry about 10, so I just feel like we're not going to come and TP before news. So I was looking to close before news, hoping for a bit of R. It's exactly what's happened. News has gone the other way. So yeah, honestly, a really nice played out trade, to be honest. EG as well. Our boys are still in EG. EG still running down nice. It's had a few spikes up, but I feel like the pound overall will just tank it through. That trade for the detail is really what made it nice. TP is certain. We'll see. We'll see. Figures about we take our profits nicely. I'm just send this back. I'm sure I'm gonna have to send this back in and link. I think he will keep dropping. Yeah, no, I hope it does. But I mean, I don't mind. Well, to be honest, I couldn't give a fuck anymore. Respectfully, I couldn't give a fuck. I'm out. I don't want that to sound horrible, but honestly, the reason why I got out is because I don't want to be a during news. EU buy, sell, buy now. What the fuck? What do you mean, Ronald? You on what you? What are you on, brother? Looking to sell from this 15-minute OB. What 15, bro? What up the top here? Or what? My view is that EU will take London higher now. Fair play, we'll see. I reckon it definitely could. And the reason why I'm saying that is because of the bearish dollar news. That news was bearish for dollar. So we should see it come and take these highs. I think that makes sense. Hence why the closing of the trade made sense. My members would know why we closed the trade, alright? The real reason why. The news was one bullish on the dollar side, so we're just sort of falling back into that position of that bullish EU just purely because of that. And then obviously, you just don't want to be in a trade during news anyway, do you? You just don't. And we were smart to jump out. So well done, lads. Well done. EG still running really nice. We'll probably keep our lovely, beautiful, gorgeous eyes on that from now on. That was really gay. But gay's alright, boys. Okay, that was even gayer. Okay, I didn't mean that. But I feel kind of bad now, because if you are... Who's gay in here? I'm going to stop before this. I forgot I'm actually also on TikTok. Holy shit. Probably not going to see this account ever again, boys. We might say goodbye to it now. See ya. Fuck. Don't know if I worded that right, lol. I see you as aiming for Friday low, so normally when we take Friday high, Friday low, we can aim for Friday 50. Is it the same way round? Exactly, bro. It's the exact same round. The thing is, right, Bigfoot, I'm gonna come back to internal and external right now. This is gonna help you with take profits, right? So again, when we talk about internal, external, let's just draw it out. I'm a really good drawer. I know you guys like my drawings. The first one I'm gonna draw is actually gonna be a peen from the side, just so I can just make sure I can see if my drawings are actually up to scale. That will do. Not a bad penis. Don't know where the other ball is. But we'll just go from there. Perfect. Right. What was I going to draw? I pretty shouldn't draw that penis because now it's completely put my mind off what I was actually meant to do. Oh yeah, internal, external, right? So the reason why we do that is because the Friday high and Friday low is external, and the Friday 50 is pretty much internal, right? Because what we're looking at is the Friday range. When we look at the Friday high, Friday low, we're looking at the range, okay? So for an example, this is our Friday, whatever. This is our high, which is obviously, this is the high, so it's not the same level with John. And then you've got the last one, which is the Friday low, the bottom half, okay? If we've taken the Friday low, okay, we can look to trade that to the Friday 50, yeah? Vice versa, we take the Friday high, you can trade that down to the Friday 50. You don't want to be trading from the Friday high to the Friday low because that doesn't always occur. But like from the high to the midpoint happens, and the low to the midpoint happens a lot. That's why I love using the Friday 50%. I use it all the fucking time. All the fucking. If I'm not using it, I'm probably ill or gay or something. Okay, right. This is definitely going now. This fucking account. Fuck. Right, okay, let me just try not to then. There's only 10 man on here actually, it's actually not even that bad. But when we come to the Friday 50, this is pretty much the grab of internal liquidity, right? And now because this is bearish move by the way, because we're bearish, we're obviously looking for the external point. The external point is the Friday low. So that's the exact reason why I was going for the Friday low. Like we said, like what you asked, Bigfoot, it works both ways. It's literally the same as internal and external liquidity type shit. That was gay. It was pretty gay. I've got to admit, that was gay. I did like 3 gay shit. Okay, yeah, if this ain't gone in the next 5 minutes, that's crazy. I got a buy before Lou came in. I buy, then sell, now saying to buy now was with Louis earlier on the sell. Wait, why did you buy, then sell, and then buy again? Why did you actually do that? That was so pointless. I just took this whole lid off just to look like a dickhead and suck the straw for literally nothing. That actually makes a lot of sense, bro. Cheers. Anytime, bro. But yeah, just internal, external, that's pretty much the best way to look up the Friday range, because the Friday range is very, very strong, boys. Oh, fucking hell. I actually need to just projectile vomited straight onto the camera. Lol drawing, come on. That's the balls batting dick in the car. Give me the balls batting. Do you remember that tune, bruv? Oh my days. All my days. Your officer. Oh, I can't even remember how it goes. Was right yesterday. EU was indeed was right yesterday. EU was indeed bearish. Who was right? Wait, what do you mean? Who's right? I want to see EG come to that low. I want to see Stu TP on this bitch. Stu's been absolutely smacking these markets recently. Got to take my hat off to him. Stu is the man. Stu's been smashing it. Why ain't News doing anything? It is, bro. It's already done a bit, but you got to think that News like it's not just going to move price crazy. It will have the move over time, so it's setting a trend right now. And for me, it's going to start flipping bullish. We'll see though. We need to confirm, obviously. GU is definitely quite bullish, actually. Actually, it's not even that bullish, really. Oh, no, it is. We took that London high. That kind of makes sense. But yeah, it has had effects. But you got to realise that PPI is pretty much inflation from the consumer, from the producer perspective. And then we saw retail sales come out higher. So it's a little bit of a in both worlds, right? Retail sales coming up, which is brilliant. And then you've got PPI coming down, which is not good. You want to have PPI high. Before Louis arrived, saw a bullish engulfing, so I buy. When Louis arrived, he was on a sell. I rode it as well. Quick scalp, really. So now looks like buyers. What I would say, bro, Ronald, yeah, is don't try to catch every move. Is focus on one move that you want to be getting in on for a day, and that's it. That's how you really keep it simple. But buy when it broke Asian high. But that's what I would say do, man, because it is a real bastard out there, man. I would say trade as little as possible. I'll be real. There's a point as a trader, right? You get to that break-even stage. This is the break-even stage, right? You hit break-even, but the reason why you're hitting break-even is because you're not yet optimizing your trades, right? So you are literally placing whatever you can, which is good. You show yourself you've got the ability and you've got the psychology to place it, let them run, etc. But the thing is that would be your problem is optimizing those actual trades, having one more confluence that makes sense to your journal results. But I'll be honest, there's the best way you need to really and I mean again I say this all the time, brother. It just makes it easier, man. Easier life. Trade specific times, trade one specific move, trade 3 pairs, similar pairs that all correlate with each other. One, that's simplicity. 2, it's efficient. And 3, man, it's just way easier on your head, man. And again, the psychology is the hardest point in trading. We've been seeing commodities come back up. We've been seeing bonds come back. The bond yields come down. So bond prices coming up. So in other words, bonds getting bought, which is a safe asset. Gold getting bought, which is a safe asset. So oil's come down because of what the Trump was saying this morning regarding Qatar. GU has SMT with VU. Yeah, I'll be real. GU's been having SMT for the past week or couple weeks. Just off sheer bullishness. How do you know which is the better pair to trade on between EU and GU? You got to look at the dollar, bro. Okay, so the first thing, TH. The first thing you need to look at is the dollar, okay? It's very important. So you want to be looking at the DXY chart to actually dictate where the dollar's going, okay? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And what time frame trend? So for an example, say if we're bearish dollar, and then say for EU, GU, oh no, actually no, not even that. Then you want to look at EG. Lagging so much is painful. You want to look at EG. For example, if EG is bullish, okay, then that means in comparison to from the pound and the euro, the euro is stronger than the pound if we're bullish on EG, okay? So when we look at the dollar, when the dollar's coming down, we're looking to long either EU or GU, right? But how do you pick from EU or GU? The way you do that is look at EG. If EG is bullish, it shows that the euro is stronger than the pound. If the euro is stronger than the pound, then I'd prefer to long Euro USD than GBP USD, right? Because it makes sense. In terms of actual effort of the moves, EU is going to give me the most efficient, strongest move to the upside, right? Vice versa, if I'm looking for a sell, I wouldn't be looking for a sell because the dollar's bearish. So I'm not looking to short against the dollar. It would be stupid. So I'm only looking for a long. I've actually done a big video of this on my mentorship, by the way, boys, and it does a breakdown of the correlation between these pairs and how to actually find out which best one to trade. Because in my opinion, all right, I don't think you should be placing more than one trade at one given time, right? You shouldn't. And at the same time, you should not be placing EU and GU at the same time. Don't think, oh yeah, but and don't think that. Oh, it's hard to explain, man. It's hard to explain. But don't. Oh, how the fuck do I explain it? Oh, that's annoying. Boys, let's get it a little bit of help. Help is needed. Oh, you should see what I've got on this computer. For real. Or you shouldn't see, actually. From all these cahoots I've had to make, you should see the shit that's on this computer. We'll go with this one. True or dude, mid-session. This is new. Oh, boys, true or dude? Mid-session. Get the fuck down, will ya? Mate, so I was just about to close my trade at BE because of what you said, but then I started plummeting back down. Glad I didn't, dude. Well, it would have been too late, wouldn't it, Skull? Would have been way too late. If you left it open during news, and obviously in hindsight, there's no point. But that's the Skull. The whole point of it isn't. That's not the point of it, you know. Do you know what I'm saying? We don't. Everyone's saying, dude, it's actually a woman. Well, I think it is anyway. I don't care what you guys think. Okay, I don't give a fuck what you guys think. Okay, next one then. What is that? I think this is one of Lou's. Okay, let's not carry that on. That is strictly a Friday Discord Kahoot only type situation. 2 trades for me today, both hit TP. Let's fucking go, Josh, man. Let's go, my boy. 1 to 4.4, lovely. I hear what you're saying. Love for that anytime, my broski. If we don't hit TP in 10 minutes, I'm going to shoot myself in the face. I'm not going to lie. You're going to watch me here on stream, end it. Do you reckon you'll get banned for that? I mean, I'm... Never mind, don't answer that question. What's happening here, LMAce? What are you doing there? Nothing. You okay, dude? Guys be placing trades on correlated pairs. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. 200% agree with you, Mace. Thank you for the lecture. I'm still looking over you and Louis' material. I'm sticking with VU, by the way. Cheers. Top man, bro. Top man. But yeah, Skull, what I was saying, bro, it's not that case of that, right? It's not the case of, like, obviously, like, the thing is, you're meant to have that rule to save yourself from multiple things during news, alright? One, you don't know how the news is coming out, okay? Because it could come out completely different to what forecast, and it actually was completely different from forecast, but it was even more weaker. Secondly, the spread's open, so it could have actually... Mad could have come down to a... He wrote a poem and a song. Who's that? That's sick. That's sick, bro. No, it was... Oh, what the fuck was I saying? But do you know what I mean? There's a point to that rule. But when you look in hindsight, in a situation like that, it would be nice. But I mean, you never know, Skull. You could see EU now come up bullish. Why? The weakness of the dollar from these newses. So look at that. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah, I might still close. I don't know. I'll be real, bro. It's a bit too late now. Like, what I'd say, Skull, is now at this point, you're literally doing it based off psychology. If you're closing now, it's because you're scared it's going to come in at stop loss. Like, I didn't take it out because I was scared it was going to hit stop loss. Do you know what I mean? I took it out because there was news. If you close it now, it's sheer just off being... Do you know what I'm saying? This is why the rule's important before your trade. And saying to yourself, I'm closing this before news and not just picking whilst you're in it, because that's when, again, you're adding psychology to it, boys, and you do need to remove that as much as possible. I know it's hard, I know it's fucking not easy, I know you want to make as much money as possible, but trading, I mean, the word trading itself, you're going to make money, you're going to lose money. It's how trading works in any game. Like, even if you was trading in terms of, say, product, you're going to lose money somewhere. You might buy a line of clothing that doesn't fully sell out and you lose money. It's just how the world works. In trading, you're going to lose money and make money. And again, that's not just in the actual market point of view. That's business trading. So that can be anything. That could be anything retail based, anything product based, right? So, yeah, so hard. Wait, what? Julie, what's going on with you over there, bitch? What the fuck you be talking about, bitch? What do you mean so hard? Scott, when the candle was so strong, it made me lose more than I actually put on, if you get me, from news. Yeah, exactly. It opens the spreads up. It makes your bum all go a little bit. Trading is so hard. Oh, okay. The psychology, it is hard, man. That's why you kind of need like a splash of autism or a splash of ADHD, because I feel like it does help when you're a little sort of hyper-focused on something. But what I would say is, Julie, get a book, get a trading book, a psychology book. Yeah, I mean, my book should be coming today, bruv. Oh my God. Completely forgot about it. Oh, was that yesterday? Oh, rather than today, between 4:45 and 6:45. Oh, that's it. Just come as late as fucking possible then. What the fuck? 4:45. Why does Amazon orders always come like late in the day for me, bro? It's actually fucking annoying. But yeah, I finally ordered myself books that I used to have, but I gave away to a client one time. This is what I purchased: The Disciplined Trader and Trading Zone. I'm coming back to these books. I'm excited to read these again, man. I had these. I gave these away a few years ago, but I had two. I had these. My favourite Mark Douglas books, psychology books. Boy, it's literally £20 for both, man. Like, I'll be honest, I'll probably end up giving mine away. Like, once I read back through mine a few times, I'll probably end up giving mine away. In the Discord, but boys, you're only 19 quid. Like, you can fucking buy it yourself. Don't be such a stuck up, stingy little fuck. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, coming back to it, man. I'm gassed for it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gassed. He just had my full home address on there. She has my full debit card details. Give me. Fucking hell. Alright, Julie. Give me. Is this how we talk in Germany? Do you guys just not have manners over there or some shit? You don't listen, I have one. Oh. Fucking hell! This is why we had a confrontation in the late 1930s. This is the reason, okay? Of sheer disrespect. Yeah? And we'll do it again. We'll do it again. We ain't scared, Julie. We ain't scared. We'll do it again. I mean, to be fair, nowadays we've got a lot more homos in our country. So if you wouldn't attack us, that would be fairly fab. See who's still in the EU and their bumholes twitching. Who's bumholes going at the moment? 3 pips try. That's better close to TP, that EG. Which one is better? I only have Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone, in my opinion, was the... I remember that the most, though, man. I do remember that one the most. I can't actually really remember the Disciplined Trader, to be honest. But I'll be honest, boys, they're both brilliant psychology books. Your lives are so much more than trading. Sometimes that's a bad thing, sometimes that's a good thing. But yeah, the Discipline, you grab them both. Boys, if you don't have either of these, grab this little deal on Amazon, it's really good. But even still, just grab the Disciplined Trader. Who said that? Was it you, Thor? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, Thor, grab Trading in the Zone. No, sorry, Disciplined Trader. It's probably like a fucking tenner. Disciplined Trader. It's probably like a tenner. Okay, why is it £30? Or I'll tell you what, bro. If you buy that one, I'll buy the book that you don't have off you for a tenner, and I'll give it away in my Discord. If you want to buy that, I'll give you the tenner just for the other book, and then I'll give it away in my Discord. Yeah, Judy, sure, man, sure. Go on, EG, get down there. Go on, son. Get the fuck down there, will ya? Giddy up, you bastard. Let me send you the link, Julie. You said you already had these books. In quite a disrespectful way as well, actually, you said it. Just saying. Reading books are actually quite shit, though, isn't it? Especially when you've got fucking... like a little disorder which doesn't allow you to keep information. I have just one, I found it. Come on, Rev. I ain't gonna lie, Julie, I don't know where the fuck it is. Oh, here it is, I got it. Yes, Mehmet, how we doing, my boy? Hope you're good, man. Mehmet. I bet ain't you got the same name as a guy from the Lego movie? Oh, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I like that film, by the way. Sick film. And yes, I am 22 years of age. No, I'm not a kid. But yes, I just genuinely like the Lego movie. Hate me or love me? That was gay. That was super gay. I'll probably get banned just for that on TikTok, to be honest. Just for being such a homosexual thing to say. Hey, no, you man though, 10k on Insta. Another little milestone with it. Look at the views in the last 30 days, that's actually insane. I'll tell you that. Yeah, 10 bandinis, boys. If you don't actually yet follow our Instagram, you're actually a hater. And you can't join these streams no more. You're no longer going to be earning dough with us. Almost, mate, Emmett. Hey, so you know the movie as well then? Come on. It's 30 film though, innit? Come on. It's not way better for... 30 is such a stretch for a film like that though, innit? Just such a stretch. Like, chill out. Come on, EG. Stop fucking giving us this and that and pissing about. What was I going to do? I was going to do something on my phone. Oh yeah, I was going to send you that link. If anyone wants a link to these books, guys, just drop me a message on Discord or TikTok or something, and I'll send it over to you. We can start a book club. I say at least 10 gay shit whilst I'm live. I ain't gonna lie. I was 6 years when it came out. I was year 6 when it came out. I was year 6 when it came out. Oh, I think I was pretty like when did it come out? I was probably like 20. Nah, bro, I actually bear rated it when it come out. 2014, fucking hell, 11 years ago. Raw, bro, I was fucking 11. Yeah, that was like the easiest bit of math. I don't know why that took me so long. I was 11. Yeah, I wasn't even scratching my scrotum at that point. If you know what I mean. To be fair, I don't know what I mean. So if you know, then fuck me. Well played. What book? Yeah, them two. Can you post Discord? Yeah, Ronald, send me a message, bro. Oh, you found it? Oh, sorry, mate. So, am I retarded? I actually just... Okay, I shouldn't have said... Okay. If you're going to do it, just do it, TikTok. Just do it. Just do it. Peak Cinema, yeah, trust me, bro. Trust me. I ain't going to lie as well. I say this with chest. I've actually completed the game as well. And no, I wasn't homosexual. To be fair, how old's 11? Oh, yeah, I was probably years... Maybe, how old are you, bro? Who closed and who didn't? Oh, my sister's belling me. Here we go. Right, H. I don't know. I feel I'm going golf at like 3, but it's in Woodford. Yeah, but it's later on in the day, Nan. That's alright though, innit? Alright. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's sweet. Yeah, yeah. Alright then. Alright, got him. Love ya. Bye, bye, bye. Stream is lagging, Nigel. Fuck! What do you mean Nigel as well, Josh, you little bastard? 20 to 21 in October. Yeah, I was going to say, come in year 5. Yeah, I'm 21 in October. I'm 23 in November. 23, man. Getting on, ain't I? K&L. You got like someone who's... And then you got Stu. He's in here thinking, getting on, mate. It's fucking hell. Where you guys from? Essex, bro. We're Essex. I can't say I'm 27. Jeez. 26. How old are you, Josh? You give me mixed numbers here, pal. You 27, you 26, you actually 12, or you actually like 52. Nice. How old are you, Julie? I'm joking. No, Judy's to be fair, I'm not gonna say her age. I don't know if women like saying their ages. You lot are bare old. Fuck you, man. I'm yeah. What the bear? The fuck? Yo, I'm like 2 years older than you, bro. Oh, you're 26. Nice. Judy, 18. Okay, well. Alright. There's lying, and then there's like sort of... Okay, I got a violent warning, or a violation warning. Oh, restricted for some audience. What's happening, mate? So you... Yes, Tommy, my boy. I'm sweet, my boy. I'm sweet, I'm sweet, I'm sweet. Can EG just take profit? Can we take profit imminently, please? Please. For fuck's sake. I don't want to be sitting here all day and night, but I don't want to stay on here till this TPs. When it's TPs, I want to be seeing TP in the chat, also a tick, and also like one of those emojis. Or anything along those lines. Time to put you in a care home. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Man, I've actually spent a majority of my life trading as well. That's actually no cap. I'm 22 years of age. I've been trading for 6.5 years. I'm like 22 and a half. I started trading when I was like 16, really. First started my journey, should I say. Gay. So I would say, yeah, bro, that's literally like a quarter of my life or something. I've been trading so far, and I'm only 20. Is that a quarter or am I just being a dickhead? No, it's not a quarter, is it? It's way less than a quarter. Way, yeah. No, way more than a quarter. A third? No, it's not a third. It's probably like a fifth. No, I'm going backwards. Fuck. It's like 2/6. No, because that's just 1/3. Okay, I'm... yeah. Fuck! Never mind then. Never mind. I started this year, I won 37 grand. Hold on a minute. Hold on. What do you mean you won 37 grand? You lucky. Oh, what the fuck was that? Yo, bro, go check profits. Let's have a look at profits without trying to lag out. Let me look at my phone, actually. What are you trying to work out? Nothing, bro. I'm just being a dickhead. How much of my life have I been trading? I've been trading for 6 years. Well, more than 6 years, really. But I'm obviously older than 22. So, say if I was... Oh, bro, I'm just talking grist at the moment as well. 37k wasn't trading. I was in a car crash. Oh. Oh, shit. Sorry, bro. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, bro. My bad. Oh, sorry. What, peak or what? 37 grand? What'd you do? Lose a limb? Uh, 22.5 and took 4 years. No, Cess. No. 6.5. I'm 22.5 and I've been trading for 6.5. Where are you from, Josh? She got 12 years in jail for it. What's she playing at, bro? What's she doing? What? Wait, where are you from, Josh? Sweet Tommy, bro. Catch you tomorrow, man. Josh, where are you from? Oh, you're Newcastle, bro. There's something... Right, let's have a look at this. Carla. Sorry. Carla Dodds. Dodds, yeah? Carla Dodds. Drunk woman jailed over friends. Oh, shit. 6 other people to the party in a hatchback. She crashed into a lamppost and flipped the car, killed Truman Hubbard, New York. Okay. This is New York. Wait, Northumbria? No, that's Northumbria Police. Is it this thing? I can't tell if this is American or if this is actually English. I mean, it is BBC News. This bird. Totally flipped on that on the 37k. I'm out. Catch you tomorrow. Bye. Ronald, take care of my cousin. Hey, that's a fucking... What a bitch, though, man. What the fuck? Similar thing. Proper square head. Yeah, man. I've seen sick. I've seen better looking dudes. There we go. I didn't mean that. Well, I kind of did. Oh man, that's so shit. Is that your brethren? I am turned now good. Luck everybody. Family Guy reference. I turn now good. I actually don't even know that episode. I actually know Family Guy mad well as well. Don't actually know that. In the back of the truck. No. In the back of the back, boys. You know what I'm saying? Like a dude's in the back of my truck. Oh, EG, man. What's going on here, man? Where's Wiggy the reminder? Yeah, trust me, man. Hopefully nowhere. It's the Asian woman. I turn now. Good luck, everybody. No, I think some Asian birds are alright. Some of them are alright. Bro, English... Hey, most... That's it. That's enough. You don't even really need a bitch, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what did I say there? That got me banned. What the fuck? I didn't mean to get banned.